Good morning everyone. Today we will continue arithmetic mean but with a different way. We can say different way in the sense of different method or different calculations way. Before that we had seen the different type of series also. First individual series, discrete series and continuous series. Now today's our topic is missing value and the missing frequency. When we are using this missing, we have to find out missing values or missing frequencies. You keep in your mind, you just use the direct method only. Clear? This is a very easy way. When you need the missing value or missing frequency, you just use the direct method only. In any case, if that is a grouping method, grouping series is given to you, individual series is given to you, discrete series is given to you, you just use the which method? Direct method. That is very easy way to find out the solution. Now today we will start our first sum with missing value, basic sum with the individual series. When we are talking about the individual, it means only x is given to you. Fine. So question number 1, x. X is given to you, that is 10, 25, 35, 40 and question mark and 25, this one. So what is your n? First you just find out what is your n. When we are talking about in the individual series 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, this is not given to you. Only 5 series is given to you. So n equal to 5. Clear? Now, when we are talking about the individual series, you don't have the f frequency value. Clear? Now, here x bar value is given to you in the sum, that is 25. It means x bar equal to 25 it is given to you. Now what is the formula? X bar equal to sigma xi upon n. So what is x bar? 25. What is sigma xi? So sum of this plus 25 plus 35 plus 40. We assume that this is a question mark. It means we assume that is the a. Suppose. So we find out the a. Now 5. Now this is the cross multiplication as the mathematical rule. If the equal to के उधर डिवाइड है तो इक्वल टू के इधर आके मल्टीप्लिकेशन हो जाएगा. सो 25 into 5. चलो सबका टोटल लगाओ. 10 plus 25, 35 plus 35 70, 70 plus 40. It means 110. Clear? So this is 110 plus 8. Now 125 equal to 110 plus 8. So 125 minus 110 equal to 8. So your a becomes 15 or your missing value is a 15. Clear? This is the example of the missing value with the help of the individual series. Clear beta? This is the individual series. When we are talking about the missing value, अगर missing value वाला सम है तो keep in your mind x bar is given to you. Clear? So वो बहुत easy हो जाएगा हमारे लिए direct method को use करना. Now the second we can say discrete method. So what do you mean by the discrete method? Discrete series, it means the x and f both is given to you. Marks is given to you. Marks we can call x. 30, 35, 40, question mark, 50 and 75. Now frequency, it means number of students. 1, 2, 3 4 5 sorry 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 6 and 4. This frequency is given to you. Now when we are talking about the discrete series, we already seen this is your sigma f or n. Just find out the value of sigma f or n. 20. So 20 is your n. Clear? Now we need fx, because what is the formula of x bar with the help of the discrete series? X bar equal to sigma fx upon n. This one na? So we have to find out the sigma f. What is sigma f? You just multiply marks with the number of students. So 30 ones are 30. What is this? So we assume that this is the A. Clear? So ये easy हो जाएगा. So we can say 4A, 300 and 75 into 4 again 300. Now sigma fx, you just sum of this 30 plus 70, 100 and 120. So it becomes 820 plus 4a. It becomes 820 plus 4a. Put the value in the formula. That's it. But in this sum, x bar is given to you. That is the 50. X bar is 50 given to you. Clear? So just put the value in the sum. 50 equal to 820 plus 4a upon, what is your n? Your n is 20. Just cross multiplication. So 50 into 20 equal to 820 plus 4a. 1000. So 1000 equal to 820 plus 4a. Now 1000 minus 820 equal to 4a. Okay, 1000 minus 820. What you get the answer, beta? 1000 minus 820. You just do this. 1000 minus 820. It's 9, 10, 8, 1. 188. Got 188 equal to 4a. So 188 divided by 4 equal to a. 4 4s are 16. 2 4 7s are 28. So your answer becomes a equal to 47 marks. So this is your missing value. Your answer becomes the 47 marks. Because listen, 1000 50 into 20 becomes 1000. So 1000 equal to 820 plus 4a. So 1000 यहाँ से इधर जाएगा तो माइनस में हो जाएगा, यहाँ प्लस में. So then 1000 minus 820 equal to 4a. 188 equal to 4a. So your answers become the 47 marks. Sorry, it's 1000 minus 820, 0, 9, 10, 8, 1, 188, 4. So the is it done? मिसिंग वैल्यूज निकालिए. नाउ द नेक्स्ट सम मिसिंग फ्रीक्वेंसी. जैसे यहाँ मिसिंग वैल्यू हो सकता है फ्रीक्वेंसी आपकी मिसिंग हो, तो उस तरह के सम आपको कैसे करना है अब वो देखना है. क्लियर? write down the missing frequency sum with the help of the discrete series. So x is given to you, that is 5, 15, 25, 35, 45 and 55. Clear? Now your frequency is given to you, that is 5, 7, question mark. Now 18, 5 and 3. Listen students, अगर ये frequency है तो we can assume this f. जैसे हम इसको x में a assume कर रहे थे, वह हम लोग x में x क्यों assume नहीं कर रहे थे? Because confusion may be there, right? So इसको हमने assume किया f. So what is your sigma f or n? So total लगाओ सबका fast. So that becomes the 38 plus f. That is your n. 38 plus f. Now you need fx. Just multiply all these things. 25, 105, then 25 f, then 630, then 225. Just multiply all these things and 165. Clear? Now total of these things. So that is sigma fx equal to 1150 plus 25f. And in this sum, your x bar is given to you 29. It is given to already. Clear? This is your x, this is your f, that is the fx, and this is the sigma fx. Now what is the formula? X bar equal to sigma fx upon n. Clear? What is x? X is 29. Sigma fx means 1150 plus 25f upon, what is your n? 38 plus f. Now cross multiplication as we do. So 29, 38 plus f equal to 1150 plus 25f. Clear? Now देखो, as per the what exam maths में बेटा 29 का 38 से भी करना है, 29 का f से भी करना है. So 29 into 30, when we are doing this, your answer is 1102. 1102 plus 29f. 29 का 30 से हम 38 से मल्टीप्लिकेशन किया, then 29 का f से मल्टीप्लिकेशन किया. Now 1150 plus 25f. Now 1102 minus 1150 and इसको यहाँ ले आए, इसको वहाँ ले जाएंगे. 25f f सेट कर लेंगे, वेरिएबल्स एक सेट करेंगे. So 1150 minus 1102, what you want? You do minus 1150 and 1102. So that is 8, 4. So 48. So 48. Now 29, 25 minus 29. This is minus 48. Why? Bigger side is here. 1150 is bigger than the 1102. Fine. So जो जिसकी बड़ी साइड होगी वो उसकी साइन के साथ आएगा. Now 25 minus 29. It's become the 4, but minus 4. Why minus? Because 25 is smaller than the 29. जिसका जो बड़ा न्यूमेरिकल होता है उसका साइन लगता है. Fine. Then minus minus cut. So what we get? 48 equal to 4f. Now 48 divided by 4 equal to f. It means 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are. So your frequency is 12. Clear? Your frequency is 12. This is your missing frequency. You have to find this. So this is all about the missing value and missing frequency. आज हमने इंडिविजुअल सीरीज देखा, डिस्क्रीट सीरीज देखा, एंड बोथ द मेथड वी जस्ट यूज द हाउ टू फाइंड आउट द मिसिंग वैल्यू एंड हाउ टू फाइंड आउट द मिसिंग फ्रीक्वेंसी. Missing value and missing frequency, keep in your mind again and again I am telling you by the only direct method, because अगर आप shortcut method, step deviation method, so that is very difficult because we need D also, so we assume the A also, but that is if the what you want A हम कहाँ से ढूंढते हैं? X में से. Suppose the X value is missing, how it is the accurate answer we can get? Clear? So that is the very clear. If you need the missing value, missing frequency in individual series, discrete series or continuous series, keep in your mind you have to use the direct method. Clear? So this is all about the today. Tomorrow we will continue our same method with the continuous series also and less than, more than and different type of series also. Thank you. Have a nice day.